In this video, I will tell you that how to unsubscribe email from Gmail. So this is very easy. So what you're gonna have to do actually, let's suppose that if I want to unsubscribe from this email here, no reply, the freelancer.com. So I will just click on this email here, and next to their name, actually their email, you will see this option here which is unsubscribe. So you will just simply click on this one, and it will actually asks you for the last time that are you sure that you want to do this. Then you just have to click on this unsubscribe, and it will automatically unsubscribe from unsubscribe you from this email. So that's how you can actually unsubscribe emails from Gmail. So if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.